Still in Lagos, the coroner's inquest tasked with unraveling the controversial death of Dowen College student Sylvester Oromoni Jr. entered its 7th sitting on Monday at the Magistrate Court in Ikeja. But the scheduled testimony of the deceased's father, who's the 5th witness for the family, was again stalled after counsel for the school accused the lawyers of deliberately keeping some pieces of evidence from them. Kemi Adeyemo has more.
This battered box is said to belong to the late Sylvester Jr., which the Oromoni family believes was damaged by some senior students who had bullied him in school in October 2021. The deceased father and his legal team, led by Andrew Efole from the Chambers of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falano, came to court armed with this item and several other intended pieces of evidence to back up his planned oral testimony, including statements of Mr. Oromoni and other persons during the police investigation. They also presented a flash drive containing 2 audio recordings, one of which was a phone conversation of the bereaved father with a GSS 3 student of the school who claims he witnessed Master Oromoni being bullied by 3 to 5 senior students before they dragged him out of the hostel. A video compilation of the 11-year-old boy groaning in pains at the point he was taken from the school by a family friend upon the instructions of his father and lifted to a car where he was taken to a medical laboratory to do an X-ray was also viewed in open court. But lead counsel for the Lagos State government, Akingbola George, and Dowen College, Anthony Popo, told the presiding magistrate, Mikhail Kadri, that they would need to review the new materials presented in order to prepare adequately to cross-examine Mr. Oromoni. Another counsel, Izuchukwu Hajinwa, representing one of the accused senior students, also said there is need to ascertain the source of the video presented. After hearing the objections against continuing the business of the day, the court adjourned Mr. Oromoni's testimony to Monday, February the 14th, and ordered his counsel to provide the other lawyers with copies of the new evidence. In the meantime, the chief pathologist of the Lagos University Teaching Hospital, Associate Professor Sunday Shoyemi, will testify on Tuesday, February 8, regarding the autopsy conducted on the deceased. Meanwhile, the media and the general public were barred from hearing the testimony of the deceased sister, as she's a minor. Counsel for the Nigerian Bar Association, Bernard Oniga, had requested that she be protected from undue publicity or any information that may lead to her identification. This position is in line with Section 191 of the Child Rights Law of Lagos State, which pertains to the protection of the privacy of a child during court proceedings. Kemi Adeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.